This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and today we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first step that you need to take is to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and easiest way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your display in order for this notification and control panel to be launched. Next, among the shortcuts, find the Wi-Fi, tap and hold on it. In here, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that my device is currently connected to. Next, tap on it. At the network details page, you'll be able to see this QR code, which you gotta simply scan in order for another device. Scan this QR code with any other device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with, and those mentioned device will be automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.